Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's daily market update. I'm Chief Analyst Ryan Fox here at OptionsXO headquarters in the UK. Today is Wednesday, July 8th. It's just past 10 in the morning here. And let's take a look at the early morning announcements for the yen. We had the current account, this difference between imports, exports for the yen, positive 1.64 trillion compared to forecasted 1.39. So that boosted the yen slightly, as well as bank lending year-on-year percentage came in just slightly under previous at 2.5%. Economy watchers sentiment for the yen was just slightly negative. However, previous performance on the graph, we see that economy has economic sentiment has increased for the yen since 2010. Halifax Housing Price Index month on month for the pound came in at 1.7%, much higher than forecasted 0.2%. So that boosted the pound against the dollar we see today so far. However, Eurogroup meetings are happening today, and Greece is the main subject that's overshadowing anything that could be positive for European economies in the Eurozone. As a result of these negotiations dragging on and Greece missing the first IMF payment, we're seeing that the euro is taking very large hits as a result of this negative sentiment. So later on today, we have the annual budget release for the pound, as well as building permits month on month starting at 1:30 p.m. for the Canadian dollar. Crude oil inventories coming in at 3:30 in the afternoon. We have a forecast of negative 0.6 million compared to previous of 2.4 million. This announcement typically doesn't have a consistent effect. However, if we do see that we're less than forecasted, this could provide weakness for the dollar. So be careful on U.S. assets today, especially euro dollar. We also have 10-year bond auction for the dollar starting at 6 o'clock BST, and FOMC minutes and speeches by Member Williams at 7 o'clock at the International Conference in LA. International Conference of Commercial Bank Economists in Los Angeles. Let's take a look quickly at today's charts for progress. We see euro dollar at 1.04. We have gold at 11.52. So we see that gold taking a very, very strong nosedive over the past week compared to, as a result of this crisis in Greece, it's causing gold prices to drop. We also see pound dollar heading south at 1.53977. Aussie dollar heading even south at 0.74. Dollar Canadian just slightly down at 1.27. We see an increase there from looks like 1.26 earlier this week. Dollar yen down to 121.57 from compared to 124 in previous June in the last month. We also see WTI crude position $152. This is taking another nosedive again from a high of $60 here throughout June, which was range bounding between $61 and $59. Euro pound heading upstairs 0.71697. Dow Jones leaving off yesterday at 17,076. Big gain from its recent losses. It's attempting to get back towards that 18,000 range here from way back even in May and June. It's taken a bit of a hit as a result of negative sentiment, and also the interest rates not being raised yet slightly. So we're going to wait to see what happens later this year in regards to interest rates from Janet Yellen of the Federal Reserve. But that's today's daily market update, folks. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the good weather, and good luck with the trades.